Okay, today I'm going to show you what $15 a night can get you in Bali, specifically here in Canggu. So we're staying in a guest house. Oh, there we go. So you've got a big, I believe this is a king, actually no, this is definitely a queen size bed. You've got two different nightstands. Now this one is, this guest house is, or the size of our room is definitely one of the smaller ones, for sure. So you've got some closet space. That's a closet in there. Comes with a little mini fridge. Now I believe this used to have a TV there, but I'm guessing during the pandemic, right, they probably had to pawn it to make some kind of money, so that's no longer there. You've got a shower, two different ones. Water pressure is fantastic. Temperature was fantastic. It was burn my skin type, which I like. Toilet, and then your sink. So here's the entrance, the outside. Again, it's called the Paving Villa. And check this out. You've got little koi fish here. I mean, talk about a welcome sign. So it comes with a pool, and it overlooks the rice paddies. And then you have this little hangout area. This is where I worked one of the mornings. You also have this like garden space to hang out in. You have a kitchen, well, some seating area down here as well as a kitchen. So that's the first level. There are three levels here. So our room is on the second level. So again, that one is ours. Got our little drying rack here. Some more seating areas. It has been rainy the last couple days, which is why they have the shade up. But here's your view from the second floor. You can see the pool down there. And then let me show you the top floor. So there's about, I believe, there's probably like 15 or so rooms here. Again, pretty standard, pretty typical for a guest house in Canggu, or Bali as well. Bali as a whole, Canggu specifically. So you have this awesome freaking rooftop here with these kind of views. Again, this over here is the co-working space that I don't remember the name of. You got 3 rooms up here. You have a second kitchen. So a, where is that? There you go. A sink, a stove, a refrigerator. There's also utensils in there. And then, again, this is your view. Look at all. Oh, that's one thing I love about Bali is all the green that you see here. So lots and lots of, well, in the distance, those are rice fields. Right down here, these used to be rice fields, but it looks like they are no more. So I'm guessing the developer came in, purchased the space, and then we'll be developing something there. So this guest house is called the Paving Villa. It's located next to Pretty Poison. If you ever, if you were in Bali before, you know where and what Pretty Poison is. It's right off the shortcut. Now, what I will say about this place is we actually looked at staying here 3 years ago when we were here on a visa run, but it was fully booked. It was super nice. It was brand new at the time. So when we came back here to Bali, we're like, perfect, we'll stay there for 2 nights while we like try to find, you know, our next accommodation. And unfortunately, right, because of the pandemic, they haven't had anyone here for 2 years. You can definitely see that they haven't kept up with it. You know, there's things that need to be painted. There's some water damage in our bathroom that you can see. So while the price is definitely right, I would definitely wait probably, you know, 6 months or a year before you stay here so that, you know, they can get some money flowing back into this property and get it spruced up again to where I know it can be. So as always, like the video, leave me a comment. Have you ever been to Bali before? Would you stay here? Subscribe for more unique travel adventures, and the next one will be right here in 3, 2, 1.